Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this fun gnome using mostly dollar store items. For the materials, you'll need 2 mini trees, a shoe pot, flannel fabric, a shatterproof gold ornament, kids' mittens, floral foam, yarn, and a hot glue gun. First, cut the foam to fit each side of the shoe pot. Then remove the bases to the mini trees and start fluffing the branches. Make sure you keep one side flat. Do the same with the other tree. Push the base of both the trees into the foam and fill the holes with hot glue. Push the bases into the foam. Then keep the fabric folded and cut it in a rounded angle. Hot glue the edges. Then flip it right side out and feel free to glue a bell or some sort of pom-pom at the tip of the hat. Then pull the hat over the top of the trees and fold it over to give it the floppy look. Lastly, glue the ornament right under the hat to make the nose and tie the mittens on 2 of the branches. And that's it! This whole project cost me around $10 and was so simple to make. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to like, comment, or subscribe below. Thanks for watching!